What's up, guys? We're back at it again. What am I making for you today? I call this the 5 alarm. So what you'll need here, some Stolichnaya vodka, some Fireball cinnamon whiskey, because you know we're 16 years old again. No, some Christian Brothers apple brandy. I have it in my thing. Some apple shit, as Joe would call it. Some lime juice, some maraschino cherries, and some sugar. So let's get right into it, guys.
Why is there sugar?
Sugar, as they say.
Don't waste mom's sugar.
No, I'm not.
You got yelled at for that last
It's a
time.
bunch. Relax.
Remember in the cactus?
So
A little bit, right?
I got it. So you're gonna put about that much apple
What's
sugar
the
in there.
measurement in milliliters?
Oh, I know. Do it by hand. Don't be a bitch. If you can't eyeball shit, then clearly get out of the fucking bar. 2 generous dashes of lime juice. Oh yeah. Let's. A lid. Do not add the lid to the cocktail, boys.
Oh.
Little fireball. Oh, and you have some rocks in this glass already, guys. Oh yeah. Oh, that's gonna look good. It's gonna be tasty, just like me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm teasing. Next up, you'll need a little Coca-Cola espuma. No,
That wasn't in the recipe at the beginning.
it's in there anyway. Boom. It's okay, Dad. I'm not gonna break the glass. I'll pay for it if I break it.
That's not just pay for it, that's incredibly
right, I
gigantic
don't-
ass.
I'm just using a couple of your cherries, Ma.
Alright.
I'm not gonna use a bunch. I promise. Just 2. See? Camera, 2. 2 cherries in the glass. And then finally, a little sugar.
Ah!
That was not that much. Shut up. Stop being a snitch. Snitches get hit like little bitches. Now, you'll kind of take this spoon, guys, and you'll kind of crush those cherries against the side. If you can find them in there. Alright, let's give it a try. Let's see if it's pretty bussy. That's actually good.
You can even go down the aisle with
The
the
5
tray.
alarm, boys.
Here,
Alright.
here.
That's the 5 alarm. I'll come over to you.
Well, let me take you guys on a trip down memory lane. The very first drink, the cactus, followed by the orange rye. What did we have in the, that was in Las Vegas. And when we came back here, we had the, what was that drink with the cotton candy and all the bullshit?
I forget what we called that.
Swamp? No, it looked like
It
swamp.
was the swamp,
No,
I think.
it looked like it, but I don't think it was.
We should have called it the swamp if we didn't call it the
but
swamp.
You're not very good at naming things.
So-
This looks abysmal.
The 5 alarm.
The 5 alarm.
Take
What are we
another
rating
sip.
it, out of 10?
Take another sip.
Is that a 10?
Yeah, it's the usual standard scale. Describe it. Talk about it.
You mostly get the Fireball with
Yeah.
too much sweetness because you poured a pound of sugar into an already drink made up with a lot of sweet things. So this is a great way to make your tummy hurt because it has a lot of sugar. But if we're rating it on a scale of taste, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. A bold proclamation. A 4.1 out of 10, your best drink yet. It's drinkable. Would I want to?
Can it cause diabetes?
Probably would cause diabetes, Mom. You didn't see how much sugar you put in this?
I didn't even put that much
It's a
sugar
drink
in.
with Coke, with a bunch of liquor, and it's already sweet as hell, and then he pours a hint of sugar. So yeah, 4.1 out of 10. Pretty good.
I'm going to
That's
take
my
me a big old sip.
Yeah, take a big old sip.
Starting now, stop dealing in opinions and assumptions. Start dealing in facts.
Yummers.
Chug that. Finish that.
No, don't encourage him, Joe.
I'm not making this up, please. It's right here. Fact. You've been out for half an hour.
That's enough.
Keeps you guys
Pretty
What
good.
was your rating?
I don't remember.
to cohere.
I will eat the maraschinos. I don't want to waste them. Those are still good. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna keep it a buck. 9 out of 10. Hey guys, that's just my 2 cents. We'll see y'all in the next one.